Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the use of spells within your auto-resolve battles. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, you may continue playing from wherever you last left off, or you can click on the settings button at the bottom left corner. Once you are taken into the settings page, make sure that you are within the General tab. And now if you scroll down within the gameplay section, you will find the use spells in auto resolve option. By default, this is turned off along with the battle auto resolve setting. Now the spells option for auto resolve will only work even if you activate this when the battle auto resolve option is enabled. So make sure to also enable the battle auto resolve option and then enable the use spells in auto resolve option. Once both of these options have been enabled, just click on accept. You can now go back into your game and continue to play with your auto-resolve setting enabled so that it can also use spells. If you wish to turn off this setting in the future, you can once again follow the same steps. Go into settings, and from the general tab within gameplay, you can once again turn off the use spells in auto-resolve setting. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable the use of spells within auto-resolve battles. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.